After more than 2 decades together, the moment TESS Daly and Claudia Winkleman officially said goodbye to Strictly Come Dancing left a huge void in the hearts of BBC viewers. Last October, the iconic dance duo announced they would be leaving the show after 21 years of hosting, closing a golden era for one of Britain's most popular television shows. Since then, a big question has been constantly asked: who will be capable of succeeding Tess and Claudia? This autumn, Strictly will return with a new look, and the choice of host is not just a production decision, it's also a test of the loyalty of millions of viewers. Amidst countless speculations, Victoria Coren Mitchell, a familiar face from Only Connect, unexpectedly whistle-blown, revealing the name she believes is the most suitable choice for Strictly's next host. On Twitter, Victoria hinted provocatively, "In my television post today, albeit a little careless, I'm going to blow the whistle on the likely next host of Strictly Come Dancing." Shortly after, in her weekly column in The Telegraph, she bluntly named her dream couple, Mel Giedroyc and Sue Perkins. According to Victoria, this was a no-brainer choice. Honestly, who do I think the BBC should choose? Mel and Sue, of course. It's obvious, she wrote. They're funny and lovely, silly yet clever, charming yet approachable. And the BBC still hasn't really recovered from losing them as the Bake Off host couple 10 years ago. Victoria's assessment wasn't just based on emotion. She argued that any major change requires a period of adjustment, especially for a show with the history and loyal viewership of Strictly Come Dancing. Therefore, the safest options can only fall into 2 directions: either completely new faces, or a couple who already possess solid public support. You need completely unknown people, or a couple who already have unwavering public loyalty from the start, Victoria analyzed. In my opinion, Mel and Sue are the only 2 familiar faces in Britain who should immediately say yes if offered. However, Mel and Sue are not the only names being mentioned. The wave of speculation intensified when BBC veteran Johnny Ball revealed that his daughter, Zoe Ball, was also on the list of considerations. In an exclusive interview with Express.co.uk, Johnny Ball confirmed that several people in the industry had approached Zoe to discuss leading Strictly. This came shortly after Zoe announced her departure from BBC Radio 2, although she insisted she would not disappear completely from television. According to the plan, Zoe will take over the lunchtime slot, replacing Emma Willis, after the final show on December 20th. Nothing will be decided until after Easter, Johnny shared. But she's under consideration, and people are reaching out to her. It's still too early to say anything. He also couldn't hide his pride when mentioning his daughter. I think she'll love it. Zoe replaced Claudia on It Takes Two, and if anything, she'll do even better than Claudia. Amidst the predictions, debates, and expectations, it's clear that the search for a successor to TESS Daly and Claudia Winkleman is not simply about choosing a host. It's a matter of identity, emotion, and connection with the audience, elements that have been the soul of Strictly for over 20 years. And until the BBC officially announces its decision, each name mentioned carries with it hope, doubt, and nostalgia for an era that has just ended.